So, if you are still wondering if you can earn money with Ichimoku, I need to say to you upfront that this strategy that I'm about to show you is the easiest one and yet the most profitable one that I have tested yet on this channel. So yeah, let's dive right into it, and you will be surprised with first the results and second the simplicity of this one, because Ichimoku you have available on any platform, and therefore we will be not using also the every line that is on this indicator, so it will be very easy. So yeah, let's dive in right into it. Let's go to indicators at Ichimoku Cloud. Let's make it bigger and go to settings. We are not changing any of the analyzed periods. We will just delete the lagging span line because we will be using only Kumu Cloud and baseline and conversion line, but we will also make them thicker in order for us to be better visible. So we are looking for the moments when the conversion line crosses the baseline, and the Kumu Cloud will serve us sort of a moving average to determine for us the current trend direction. So, sounds easy, and most likely you heard of it also before, but have you ever tested? What were your results? Because I tested this strategy, and to my surprise, it was the best one that I tested so far. So now let's discuss the rules of this strategy. Firstly, what we need to check is the Kumu Cloud and the price, which means the price needs to be either above or below Kumu Cloud in order for us to determine the trend direction. Which means, for example, in this situation, when the price is above the Kumu Cloud, this means that we have currently an uptrend. And the moment where we are entering the market is the moment when the conversion line, which is this blue one, crosses the baseline, which is this red one. In this situation, when we have uptrend, we are looking for the crossover from the bottom to the upside, which happened, we can say over here, they were at the same levels, and it did cross at this small red candle. So this would be our entry level. We are not looking for the Kumu Cloud colors. It doesn't matter if it is red or green. We are checking only for the price position, either if it is above or below. We are not trading when the signal is generated when the price is inside the Kumu Cloud, like we have over here. When the price is inside Kumu Cloud, we have the signal either to the upside or to the downside. We don't take it. So we have the moment over here. So let's simulate the entry. So we have, of course, stop loss below the nearest swing, and we are setting 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So now let's mark that, and yep, this trade was profitable. The second way we can exit the trade is to look for the moments when the conversion line crosses the baseline in the opposite direction, which means in this situation when initially it gave us the long signal for entering in the long, which means it crossed it from the bottom to the upside. We are looking for the crossover from the upside to the bottom. So this one over here. Okay, so now let's check another example. So this one, right, it was crossover here, but it was inside the Kumu Cloud, and here they were, we can say, parallel to each other, and at this one they split. Okay, so this closing of this candle or opening of this candle is our entry level, so long position. Nearest swing, which is over here, this is this move, 51 pips and 2-to-1. Okay, and let's see. This one also was a profitable example, so you can see that in this situation it wouldn't be profitable for us to close at this crossover, because we would be slightly or at the same level then we enter this trade. This crossover occurred above the Kumo cloud. This crossover over here as well. But yep, here this one at the closing of this candle was below the Kumo cloud. So now we are the example for a short. Closing of this candle, stop loss above, latest swing, 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, and you can see this example was also profitable. So I think we have all the examples, all the rules of the strategy well explained. We talked about a couple examples. Now let's go to the juicy numbers of the backtest. And I was analyzing the currency pair of USD CAD, and the time period was from September 2019 till December 2020. So the pandemic period, where the market was very volatile, was also included in this backtest. So also it is another additional point for this strategy, that it was behaving very well during such a time period. And the time frame was M30, and yeah, as for the win rate, it was 60%. Which means that it yields us the 60 out of 100 trades were profitable. And if we talk about the profit, if we calculate it with the fixed percentage per each trade, it would yield us 80% gross profit. Of course, without any spread and commission costs. So yeah, I think it is one of the best strategies out there, and I was also surprised when I tested myself, and right now I am slowly incorporating it into my daily trading regime. And if you're looking for other profitable strategies, and maybe you like RSI indicator and you want to know more about this one and how you can interpret its signals in a maybe non-traditional way, click on this video and I'll see you in the next time.